There is a gorgeous spiritual evolution happening on the planet right now. And what would normally take us a lifetime or even longer in spiritual growth is happening for so many of us in just 2 years or less. And what spiritual evolution is when we expand our awareness, our consciousness into higher levels. Cacao is the main ingredient to make chocolate, and in its raw form, it is a master plant medicine. And when we drink ceremonial cacao and surrender to that ancient wisdom and power, it awakens within us our own ancient wisdom and knowing. It will bring to our awareness our conditioned beliefs. And these are called emotional footprints, so that we can create new possibilities for our life instead of living out the same patterns over and over again. And in doing this, creating these new beliefs from these limiting beliefs, these new beliefs in and of itself will raise our consciousness. So acknowledge, surrender, and honor this beautiful ceremonial cacao because it really is taking you back home. Deepen your spiritual journey by bringing ceremony and ritual into your daily life through cacao. If you want to learn more about cacao, feel free to watch more videos here on YouTube. Every week I publish a new video, so make sure you subscribe to this channel, The Goddess Temple Cacao. And also join me on my website. Subscribe over there as well, because I'm giving out lots of gorgeous free printables and worksheets and other free things, including a beautiful double-sided 28-day morning cacao ritual calendar to help you to get set up and started with this gorgeous daily ritual in your life. Thank you again for watching. Enjoy. Sat Nam. Namaste. Mwah. I love you.